Hi, how can I speak English fluently?
Practice speaking every day. That's the best way.
Should I speak with others or alone?
Speak with others. It makes you learn faster.
How does it help?
You get real conversations and it's more natural.
What else can I do?
Listen to English daily. Podcasts, shows, anything.
Will that improve my understanding?
Yes, you'll catch accents and new words.
Is reading important?
Yes, read easy books to build vocabulary.
Should I read it out loud?
That helps with pronunciation too.
What about writing?
Writing improves grammar. Try keeping a journal.
Will I become fluent soon?
Fluency takes time. Be patient.
How long should I practice each day?
Even 15 minutes a day helps.
Should I focus on grammar?
Focus on speaking first, then grammar later.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't worry.
Should I learn new words every day?
Yes, but use them in sentences to remember them.
Is watching movies helpful?
Very helpful. It's fun and you learn natural phrases.
Should I use subtitles?
At first, yes. Then try without them.